In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack huddle. Whether you're new to Slack or just need a quick reminder, leaving a huddle is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. So, you've been engaged in a Slack huddle, which, as you might know, is a fantastic space for quick, informal audio meetings right within your Slack workspace. These huddles are perfect for collaborative sessions, and you've been an active participant. Now, let's say your part in the discussion is complete, and you're certain that all the concerns that needed to be addressed from your end have been thoroughly covered. The next decision is to gracefully exit the huddle because your contribution is complete and you want to respect the ongoing conversation by not being an unnecessary presence. To leave a Slack huddle, you'll need to locate the huddle in your Slack workspace. Typically, you'll see a small headphone icon in the bottom left corner of the Slack app interface, which indicates that you're currently connected to the huddle. It's your cue that the audio session is active, and it's where you'll also find the control to leave it. Now, the actual process of leaving is refreshingly simple. You'll notice the Leave button, which is an intuitive part of the Huddle interface. Clicking on this button is your next step. It's positioned conveniently to allow you a quick exit when you need it. So, place your cursor over the Leave button and give it a click. And that's it. With that simple action, you'll be out of the huddle. What this does is seamlessly disconnect you from the audio session, ensuring that your focus can shift back to other tasks waiting for your attention with no disruption. Remember, leaving a huddle doesn't signal a break in communication. It's just your polite way of stepping back when your input is complete. As a tip, it's always a good idea to make sure you've wrapped up your discussions or conveyed your vital points before exiting. This ensures you're not missing out on any important follow-up or additional thoughts from your team. Also, don't hesitate to rejoin the huddle if something comes up after you've left. The process to join again is just as easy as leaving, with a simple click to enter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your Slack huddles with even more ease. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more Slack tips and tricks. See you in the next video.